In 1964, the SR-71 Blackbird was built, the fastest aircraft in the world. The aircraft, built by U.S. aircraft maker Lockheed Corporation, was nicknamed Blackbird, which was able to run at 3.2 times the speed of sound. There is not a single faster jet engine-powered aircraft on Earth. The SR-71 carried a total camera weighing 3,500 pounds and other ancillary reconsis electrodes. It could have been photographed very accurately, so it often flew over important military installations in the Soviet Union, China, Vietnam, North Korea. The plane could survey an area of 100,000 square miles in just 1 hour. It is said that Blackbird cameras were so modern that the road was 200 kilometers per hour. It is possible to take pictures of the number plate of the moving vehicle from a height of 85,000 feet. There was no GPS technology in those days. Again, at an altitude of 33,000 feet, the compass-based navigation system gives wrong readings due to the magnetic field of the Earth. So the stars of the sky in Blackbird used to walk the way. The navigation system used in SR-71 contained a type of star tracker called blue light that helped the aircraft operate properly by determining the location of the aircraft subject to the position of 61 stars in the sky. A former Blackbird pilot says the system is so perfect that if it ever went wrong, it would have moved 300 meters from the course to the right-left. The SR-71 aircraft took about 46,500 liters of fuel and 5,230 kilometers. He was able to go away and carry out the operation. Blackbird's maintenance cost about $300 million a year. It also cost $85,000 per hour to fly. As of 1966, each Blackbird was worth $34 million, equivalent to today's $278 million. Blackbird was able to easily climb to an altitude of 85,000 feet, or 25.9 kilometers. In addition, the maximum speed of the SR-71 Blackbird is 3,540 kilometers per hour, 2,200 miles per hour, which is equivalent to Mach 3.2 on a sound speed scale. At that time, no missile could be destroyed. A total of more than 4,000 anti-aircraft missiles were fired for the aircraft in its 24-year service life. Not a single one of them could touch him. It also defeated 200 fighter jets at speed during this time. In 1987, a Blackbird Mach set a world record by lifting a speed of 3.5 when missiles were intercepted in Libyan skies. The aircraft also had its own life support system that helped pilots breathe in oxygen shortages at very high altitudes. This mask system could not have been opened again throughout the flight. For a long time, pilots used to drink special bottled drink pipes, straws, on their sky-flying missions. For the same reason, food was served like jelly inside the tube that looked like toothpaste, which helped to eat without opening the mask. Pilots also used special types of urine bottles, adult Pampers, to respond to nature's call. During the peak speed, the body temperature of the aircraft would rise to 260 to 900 degrees Celsius, and the cockpit windshield temperature would rise to 120 degrees Celsius. As a result, a very powerful air conditioning system was added to the cockpit to protect the pilots. The SR-71 was a first-era stealth aircraft. Its radar cross-section, RCS, is only 10 square meters in value. It is common in today's age, but it was a surprise 50 years ago. There is no reason to think that the demand for such intelligence aircraft has run out in the era of modern drones and spy satellites. The United States has long been working to build Blackbird's successor, the SR-72. If all goes well, it will fly in the sky in 2025. But Blackbird was a legend several times ahead of his era. No country has ever been able to build an aircraft equivalent to this. It is considered to be a wonder of the aviation engineering world.